In this question, you have to point out that which zone of the biosphere reserve is legally protected and where no human activity is allowed. Option A, buffer zone. It is incorrect because the buffer zone allows limited human activities such as research or sustainable resource use. Option B, transition zone. It is also incorrect. The transition zone, which is the outermost area of the biosphere reserve, consists of human settlements and sustainable economic activities such as agriculture and forestry. Option C, restoration zone. It is also incorrect because this term does not refer to a specific zone in a biosphere reserve. Option D, core zone. The core zone is the innermost and most protected area of the biosphere reserve, and it is legally protected, strictly monitored, and no human activity is allowed to preserve its biodiversity and ecological integrity. Hence, it is the correct option.